Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the 13-piece All-Clad cookware set. So this set comes with 4 saucepans with this big roaster, and then you have 4 saute pans. And it's nice that you have a variety of sizes. So this is the smallest pan, medium, and then the larger one is here on the stove. It also comes with 5 lids, and all of these pans are oven safe for up to 500 degrees. And the lids can withstand up to 350 degrees. So you do want to be careful with that. You can't stick this in the oven at more than 350. They come with a limited lifetime warranty, and all of the handles are stainless steel. And I've owned these for over 3 years, and they are in excellent shape. So we'll take a closer look at the details now. All of these pots and pans are compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. So that gives you a lot of variety. You can actually travel with these. My grandparents used to do that all the time. And these stainless steel handles, they're actually like soldered on here, so they are set for life. These pots and pans are very reliable, they're durable, they do everything that I would expect, and it's a quality brand and product that I recommend.